Welcome back to Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delicious. Thank you for joining me on another great recipe today. So our recipe today is going to be chicken and bean soup. We have cooked overnight in a crock pot on low heat some pinto beans. And we have them now in this pot. We're just going to add the final ingredients, let them cook for about an hour, and then we'll have a tasty chicken bean soup. So what am I putting in it? I got some canned chicken. You can use cooked chicken or whatever. I've got onion. I got some bell peppers. I got some chile. Garlic and pepper. Some cumin. Cayenne pepper. Italian seasoning. And some ground turmeric. And of course we have garlic. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a drink from this glass. Now this recipe was supposed to be ham and beans, but I forgot to pick up the ham. See what I mean about the forgetfulness? So we're improvising. So chicken chili basically. Okay, so here's the chicken. It's in a can. Chicken in a can, put there by man. Isn't there anything that's not put there by a man? I swear. Men and their penises. Alright, just dumping that chicken in there. And then I'm just gonna chop up this. I need that little chopper thingy. I don't know where the favorite knife went.
Oh, it's right here. I wouldn't let you work without your favorite knife. Here you go.
Thank you, producer friend. So there's the garlic, coarsely chopped. It is on a number 6.5. And then I'm gonna cut up the onion because that probably should go in there first with the peppers. You can go shopping online, and I like to shop online, and then my lazy ass doesn't even have to go in the store. Alright, now we're going to add all our seasonings. Here's chili powder.
Oh, could you bring it? Could you open it up so you can see how much you add?
Some garlic pepper. Just a little. Cumin. That's like what you make tacos out of. You could call it chicken taco soup too, not just taco. I mean, whatever it is.
Chili or soup? Oh shit.
You can make it chicken taco soup. Make it anything you want. And I don't know why turmeric sounded good, but I'm going to put some turmeric in there. Yeah, it smells good. And then just give it a good stir. This is what it looks like before it's cooked all the way. Alright, so our chicken chili has been cooking for approximately 2 hours. The peppers are nice and tender and everything's kind of come together. Do you remember how it looked at the beginning of the video? Well, let me scoop out some. This is how it looks now.
Tilt it. Stir it a little bit.
I'm not going to take a bite yet because I'm going to add a little cheese to it. It's an easy chicken chili recipe. So I'm just going to mix it. You could add a little sour cream to it or whatever. Obviously my feet are hurting because I don't want to stand up anymore. But I need to let it cool down. Fitz, what do you think, buddy? You think it's going to taste good? Fitzy, Fitzy. You think it's going to taste good? Food. Fitzy love the foodie. The Fitzy love the foodie. The beans are already working. This is so good. It's creamy because of the chicken. The beans have like disintegrated really finely. And then of course it's got the nice kick of the peppers and the flavor of the seasonings that we put in that make it just nice and creamy and spicy all together. And then of course the cheese. Where's the napkin when you need them? If you want a good chicken recipe, chicken chili recipe, or chicken soup, whatever you want to call it, this is a great thing to make on Trailer Park Cooking. I am Genie B Delicious. Thank you for watching Trailer Park Cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, join me on Facebook, tweet about me. But join me next time for another great video on Genie B Delicious. Bye y'all.
You said video instead of recipe. Can you do that again? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delicious.
Join us.
Join us next time for another great video.
Recipe. I think you do. Come on now.
Okay. Thank you for being wonderful subscribers and participants of watching Trailer Park Cooking. Join us next time for another great recipe. I'm Genie B Delicious. Bye you all.